So I now believe, guys, that there is some kind of variety of blueberries that is season and not in season. What kind of blueberry is this? It's just said blueberry. Blueberry, Barcinium, I don't know. And Blue Rose, Sunshine Blue, Brigitta Dinis, or Climax. I think it's part from Climax though. So, after the cyclone real about last week ago, we put this in the shed, and of course there is no light for 3 days there. So when we come out, and we were shocked, all leaves are gone. There is only leaves left. So there is really blueberry that's sensitive to no lights. They don't care about super cold, super windy, super rain. As long as there is sunshine day after that or something, few hours, and then they're fine, they recover. So once you put them in the area where it really not bright or no sunshine, then this gonna be happen, guys. You know, because this one got water as well. See, that's why they call it the reservoir in the bottom there. See, water in there, and then the bottom here got water. The wicking pots. So yeah, but I could see even though there's a lot of leaves, they got new one there coming. See, I thought it just completely dead. No way, not dead. So even this baby, you put it in really -0 degrees. I found out they're really good. As long as you put them in the sun, in the really frozen weather, where there is so much frozen ice, but we are like mild climate, so it's okay. As long as there is sun, even the -0 degrees, they will be fine. I heard that too. Some other people were really super freezing and -0, and they said it will be gonna be okay. And the other hand here, I just planted it also last week ago, one day before the cyclone came. And this kind of blueberry is Berry Delights, and I think I really like her, this variety. I think they don't need any partner or anything. They can just grow, make flowers and fruits without any partner with them. But like, you know, like self just make themselves do like that than the other berries like this. They need a partner to propagate more and more fruits and nice and sweet direction. So this one, the same thing I put in the shed, no dead. It was been 1 week ago. Look, the leaves is still here. Amazing.